Here we have Koda. He is a yearling bay Awesome Roany son out of a Rolling Jax Copper daughter. And he goes back to Zangold Jackson and then High Rolling Roany and Applejax again on the bottom side. He has 4 crosses to High Rolling Roany, 4 crosses to Oswald, and 3 crosses to Applejax. Hey buddy. I have started and ridden 2 full siblings to this colt. One was a bay roan filly that I had that I called Soda, and the other was a bay gelding that I just started and sold this year, Mozzy. Both were very gentle, good-minded horses, sensitive about cues, but smart, trainable, willing, nice to ride, not bronky, nice horses overall. This guy I would expect to mature probably in the 15 hand range. Hey buddy. He could get a little bit taller, but that's my guess. He'll be stout. But we're gonna move him around a little bit and show off his movement. He's gonna be a little bit buddied up to the fence where everybody else is there. I haven't worked with him today, so this is all fresh. Good boy. Hey, bud. Good boy. That's a good boy. There's 2 eyes. Good job, bud. He hasn't been round pen very much. Maybe once or twice. Let him catch the right lead there. There you go. Come on. Ha! Kind of wants to crossfire a little bit. Like I said, haven't worked him today. Haven't actually worked with him in the last week, other than getting them all trimmed up. Hey, buddy. There, good boy. Good boy. Look at that licking chew. Hi. These horses excel as ranch, rope, and trail horses. I've started quite a few 3/4 siblings to this guy and a couple half siblings, and they've been super solid, dependable horses for me. I enjoy ranch riding on them with a little bit of roping. It's pretty fun. Thanks for taking a look. See you on the next one.